Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Stay home and stay safe. So, students, today we are going to discuss about the food adulteration. Food adulteration, that is comes under cookery rules and food preservation. So, let's see what it means food and adulteration. So, you all are know about food very well. And what is means adulteration? So adulteration means mixing or adding something in a food. Adulteration means mix up or adding, otherwise subtracting something. So why they add something or they subtract something from the food? To decrease the value, decrease the quality of the food, and they are adding something to improve, to increase the quality of the food. So adulteration means mix up or adding or subtracting some valuable things, subtract from the food, and some thing is add. So let's see what is means food adulteration. Food adulteration has become a very common practice in our country, and we are consuming these food almost every day. That means food and adulteration, it is become very common practice in our country, and we are eating these food almost every day, which have numerous harmful effects to our health. And these food has numerous, yeah, otherwise various harmful effect to our health. Every day we watch in the TV news how the unhygienic and uh, spurious foods are entering into our house. Adulteration of food has many effects on individual as well as on the community health. So it has adulteration of food, it has many effect on the individual as well as on the community health. That means it affect the health of people. And next is the uses of adulteration has been common in societies with few legal control on food quality or poor and non-existence monitoring by authorities. Sometimes this uses has even extended to uh, exceed, exceeding dangerous chemical and poison. For example, coloring of cheese lead with lead. So they can use lead in cheese. Next is definition of food adulteration. So food adulteration means anything adding or subtracting with food making it injurious to health. That means they they add anything or subtract anything with food to make it injurious to our health. This adulteration may be done intentionally or unintentionally. Or intentional adulteration is a criminal act and punishable offense, or the process of lowering the nutritive value of food either by removing a vital component or by adding substance of inferior quality. That means food adulteration means adding or subtracting anything from the food to make it injurious to our health, and this adulteration may be done intentionally. Intensely means they done it purposely, or unintentionally means it is happened by mistake. And intentional adulteration is a criminal act. If they are doing this intentionally, so this is the criminal act and punishable, and it should be punishable also. Or the process of lowering the nutritive value of food. So this is the process of lowering the nutritive value of food, either by removing a vital component. So maybe they remove vital component, vital nutrient from the food, or by adding substance which is decrease the quality of food. Next is types of adulteration. So there are three types of adulteration. These are, first one is intentional adulteration, next one is metallic contamination, and next is incidental. Next is incidental adulteration. So first one is intentional adulterants. Intentional adulterants are sand, marble, cheap stone, mud, chalk powder, water, mineral oil, and coal tar dyes. The adulteration cause harmful effect on the body. Means intentional adult, they can add sand in the food, marble chips, stone in some, like some gram, and some pulses. They can add stone to improve the weight. And mud they can use, and they can add mud, chalk powder, water. Maybe suppose in milk they can add water, mineral oil, and coal tar dyes. This adulteration cause and these adulteration cause harmful effect on the body. Next is metallic contamination. Metallic contamination include arsenic from pesticides, lead from water, and mercury from efficient effluents of chemical industries, tin from cans. Metallic means they can use some metal substance in the food. And next is incidental adulterants. Incidental adulterants are pesticides residues, tin from can, dropping of rodents, larvae in food. Metallic contamination with arsenic, lead, mercury can also incidentally pests such as rodents and insect intrude into the food at high degree and produce FIP in the form of excreta, bodily secretion, and spoilage through microorganisms. The most common incidental adulterants are pesticides, DDT, and marathon residues present on the plant product. The maximum permissible residues allowed for DDT marathon is 3 ppm. Next is food adulteration categories. So there is three categories of food adulteration. First one is replacement, second is addition, and third is removal. So replacement means complete or partial replacement of food ingredients or valuable authentic constituent with less expensive substitute with the intention of muting on origin and false declaration of the process. That means sometime they may completely replace the food to another quality of food. Maybe uh, maybe they can replace the pure tur dal with the another dal. And then next is addition, means addition of small amount of non authentic substance to mask inferior quality ingredients. They may use small amount of non authentic substance to make or to mask inferior quality ingredients to make a low quality of ingredients. And next is removal of authentic and valuable constitute without purchaser knowledge. Without the knowledge of purchaser, they remove valuable thing from the food. Next is food, some common adulterants and the disease caused by them. First one is milk. Cow or buffalo milk can be adulterated with starch, milk powder and urea. So they cow milk, they can add some starch, milk powder and urea in the cow or buffalo milk to increase the quantity. And next is health effect. It affect health, it cause cancer, acute or renal failure. Next is tur dal turmeric powder, mix species saffron. So tur dal turmeric powder, mix species saffron. Next is adulterants, metanyl yellow, a non-permitted color, is a common adulterant in food items like laddu, tur dal and turmeric. Means some they can use some yellow color in the laddu and in the tur dal, means arahar dal and turmeric, and in haldi they can use yellow color. Next is health effect. So it can cause tumor and cancer. Next is ghee. Adulterant ghee essence is used in cheaper oil and passed off as pure ghee. That means they can use some low quality of oil and they can sell it as a pure ghee. And this type of ghee will not solidified like normal ghee. It may also not have the grainy texture of pure ghee. So this type of ghee will not solidified like a normal ghee, and it may also not have the grainy texture of pure ghee. And next is olive margarine or lard added to butter. Next is health effect. So cancer or acute renal failure, it may cause cancer or acute renal failure. And next is the argemone oil used to adulterate the ghee and butter is highly toxic. It causes a disease known as dropsy. Water fluid collecting in some part of the body is the main symptoms. It affects the normal function of the body. It may also paralyze the limbs. Next is sugar and salt. Adulterants with chalk powder and white sand may cause stomach disorder. So in sugar and in salt they may add chalk powder and white sand. So and it will cause stomach disorder. Health effect is stomach disorder. Next is tea powder. Adulterants, so what they use in tea powder? With use tea leaves, dye or artificial color, iron fillings. Tea colored tea leaves after removing the essence. Health effect, it can cause cancer and tetanus. Next is chili powder. Adulterous chili powder, sudden red brick powder, grit and sand, dirt, non-permitted color, sawdust, or use dry papaya seed to obtain the required color. दैट मीन्स दे कैन यूज़ इन चिली पाउडर, जो लाल मिर्चे का पाउडर आता है रेड चिली, उसमें दे कैन यूज़ सम कलर रेड सडन कलर रेड एंड रेड ब्रिक, ईंटा जो होता है ईंटे को पीस के पाउडर उसमें मिक्स कर देते हैं। ग्रीट डर्ट नॉन परमिटेड कलर, कुछ कलर होते हैं जो कि नहीं यूज़ कर सकते हैं वो कलर। सॉ डस्ट और यूज़ ड्राई पपाया सीड्स, दे कैन यूज़ पपाया सीड्स मीन्स पपीते का जो बीज होता है टू ऑब्टेन द रिक्वायर कलर। एंड नेक्स्ट इज हेल्थ इफेक्ट, सो इट काज स्टमक डिसऑर्डर, सडन डाई इज कार्सिनोजिक। नेक्स्ट इज स्वीट्स, adulterant metanyl yellow used to brighten the color of pulses, turmeric powder and sweet meats is color not permitted. So they can use some color which is not permitted to add in the sweets, pulses, turmeric, and health effect tumor and cancer, it can cause tumor and cancer. Okay, so for today this is enough. Thank you. If you have any doubt you can ask.